Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jeff, and today we're looking at this full carbon fiber Dodge Charger body that's been placed on top of a brand new Dodge Challenger Hellcat. So let's go ahead and let's get into the details. If you enjoyed this video, you can smash that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. So this is the C68 Carbon from Exomod Carbon, and this is a full 1968 full carbon Dodge Charger body that's been widened in order to fit on this Dodge Challenger Hellcat body. So this has the full large tires on all four corners, and the interior gets updated as well. The cool part is this body actually weighs 400 pounds less than the standard Hellcat body. So that means this, with that massive supercharged 6.2 liter V8, is actually going to be much faster. They produce them in Scat pack versions all the way up to Hellcat Red Eye versions. This particular car is 707 horsepower, but look at the exposed carbon stripes, and of course the rest of the car is finished in plum crazy, and they'll produce it essentially any way you want. If you want full exposed carbon, if you want the car fully painted. They've got several other cars, some that have already sold at several other auctions, including Mecum for about $326,000. So that's what you get. You get a full performance vintage styling on modern performance platform. The car looks absolutely incredible, and you can order it any way you want with varying levels of performance. If you enjoyed that video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it, and get subscribed for more content like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching.